Hey guys, it's Glenmurray Online. Hey, I had a question on one of my videos. Oh, by the way, if you like videos on how to make money online, how to do little tricks and tips online, make sure you click subscribe below. But I had a question. Someone came on and asked me, how do you share a Google document? They were having some problems because sort of one of the problems that you sometimes have is that Google or Facebook or some of the social media places don't like you to share an affiliate link. So what you do instead, you can make a Google Doc with like an image and then a link in the Google Doc, and then you can share the Google Doc on your social media to people. Don't spam, of course. Don't just go out there and throw your link out there. But when someone asks for your link that Facebook blocks, mainly it's for Facebook, then you can send them a link to this Google Doc, which will have an image, and then there'll be a link there that they can click, or you can make the image linkable or clickable or that kind of thing. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to share that. And this is for you, Bradley, especially because you messaged me to learn how to do this. All right, so let me share my screen with you guys here, and I'll just show you quickly how to do it. Okay, so you're in Google Docs. Hopefully I don't have to explain exactly how you're going to make Google Docs. And let me get out of here. And I'll show you how to test it too. So you're in your Google Docs, right? You've done a screen capture for whatever you're going to promote. Guys, if you want this is a great program, by the way. If you want to go to this link, I'll share this link in the description. This is ClickBank University. Anyway, so I took a screenshot and I just put it there, right? And then I typed in get instant access. So if you click on this image, right? So the image, and you go up here to this little tiny like it looks like a little chain link. Click that and you can put a link in. See, I took my affiliate link and I made it into a bit.ly. So I put it right there so it's simple to see, so it's not some long ugly link, right? So and then you just go apply and boom, the link is there. And then I also wrote out get instant access here. And when you highlight all the text, again, you can hit the link button again, and you put your little logo, you put your link in there. So now how do you share this? Got it, whatever. So up here in the top corner, there's a button that says share, right? It's going to pop up a window. So it says share with people and groups, right? You could send it directly, or right the next one down, it says get link. Anyone on the internet with this link can view it. So you want to copy that link, just click there. Now I recommend going again over to bit.ly and turning that link into a bit.ly link, because I'm going to show you in my incognito, or you can test it first. So let's go over to incognito. So this is in Chrome or in Safari. I don't use Internet Explorer, so I don't know, but you can go into your right here and you can go new incognito window or new private window. That's just a way of testing stuff so it doesn't have any cookies on your thing. So I'm going to post that link in there. There it is. I'm going to go there, and it'll bring up this page basically that you just saw. So there's the page right there. And then if I roll over this thing, right there's a clickable, right? Also, if I click on the image, it should be clickable. Well, the image isn't clickable. But this is down here. So it's telling me that I've got a link to click, and I can just click that. And boom, there is my ClickBank University referral link. Just done like that. I recommend putting in a capture page before that, like capture their email. But, sometimes you don't want to. Sometimes you just want to send it directly to the especially if it's someone that you're on social media with and you're kind of going back and forth, maybe they're a friend, then you can send them directly to the link. But that's how you guys do it. That's basically it in a nutshell. And again, because this link is really ugly, I recommend taking this link and putting it into a bit.ly as well. So hopefully that's helpful. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit like, hit comment, say yes, Glenn, thank you very much. That's exactly what I wanted to know. And there you have it. Simple, simple, simple how to share a Google Doc in less than 5 minutes. And you can go out there and do your social media. All right, guys. Cheers. Bye.